All right, folks, so today we're taking a look at TV2. Make money watching YouTube videos. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, folks, to get notified of any new videos I have coming out. I make videos about making money online. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. You get a free membership with 2 free websites, free training, lots of other cool stuff there as well. So check that out in the link in the video description below. And let's get into this. All right, folks, so this is tv-2.com. And basically, for this, you're gonna need either a Samsung Smart TV or LG Smart TV, an iOS device or an Android device. And basically, you just get Bitcoins for watching YouTube videos and such. So basically, you just come to the website, you check it out, you install the apps, and you get Bitcoin for watching videos. Let's see right here. There's a bunch of different frequent asked questions, so you can come here and check it out if you want. And you're gonna need if you're new to Bitcoin, you're gonna need a wallet and stuff like that, and you can check out all that kind of stuff here. I'm not gonna go into all of that here. All right, folks. So here's how it works. You get as a user. Users receive crypto for their shared data and attention. So basically, you just watch YouTube as you normally would, and you just get Bitcoins. You collect Bitcoins. You can watch ads too to get even more, but you don't need to. So cool, folks. Yeah. So you can check out yesterday's video too. I have another cryptocurrency app, web browser. Actually, check out that video. And right now, I just saw this yesterday. I got 1 referral. This is how much Bitcoin I actually earned just for having the web browser on. I didn't do anything. So check it out as well. All right, folks. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. So check out that, and you'll make some really good money. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.